Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon, and he's Brandon. And you might have noticed that it's starting to heat up out here.
All right, yeah, it's that time of year here in Texas. So today's topic's gonna be some of our favorite plants that can handle the heat. Right now, right here, we got the ruby crystal grass and the silver ponyfoot. What are some of the things you like about this, Brandon?
I mean, this beautiful drought tolerant little grass right here is gonna have these pink tassels all summer long.
Cool.
And wow, look at this drip. I mean, the silver ponyfoot is our #1 seller for pots and creepy crawlies.
Yeah, the silver ponyfoot's great because it'll crawl in between the rocks and it'll give you that ground cover look, where the ruby crystal will give you that little vertical look in between the rocks maybe. And like Brandon said, it's gonna tassel all summer long and be a real strong plant for that hot time of year.
Okie doke, here's one of our summertime favorites, the lovely Lantana. This right here is the lucky sunrise with its gorgeous pink flowers and yellow accents.
It's a great plant in the garden because it'll also take a heavy trimming if you want to keep it low, or you can get some height out of it. And all the flying insects, bees, pollinators.
I heard birds even love it.
Birds love the Lantana. So, it's another great addition for the garden. Remember, the Lantana come in a variety of colors.
Like the lucky lemon glow and the lucky red. Not only do they come in a variety of colors, but heights too, from full size down to dwarf.
This next one is a for sure summer favorite. Tell us all about this one, Brandon.
Man, the Pride of Barbados is one of the coolest things you can grow in Austin. Around the summertime when it starts getting really hot, it's gonna rocket up from the ground and give you these awesome tricolor blooms right here till about the fall.
Absolutely. Give it a try. Pride of Barbados.
Oh, buddy, you smell that?
Yeah, this is the beautiful Russian sage.
Woo.
This plant's perfect for a midsummer planting. It can handle the heat. Beautiful bloom, great scent, fragrance to the garden. Brandon, why don't you tell the viewers a little bit about drought tolerant planting?
Yeah, so all the plants we've talked about today are drought tolerant. That doesn't mean you can go home, throw it in the ground, and go on vacation for 3 weeks. What it means is after you plant them, you're gonna wanna make sure it's staying nice and moist for the next few days. All plants are different, maybe up to 2 weeks until the roots are established. Then it's gonna be able to take less and less water as it matures.
Absolutely. These are some of the toughest plants in the nursery, and so sometimes there's this misconception of they don't need care. But we want to introduce some moisture into the planting and throughout until that plant, like he said, is well established. And then you can enjoy the plant all summer long until the first frost. As always, thank you very much for watching our videos.
And support your local nursery by liking and subscribing our YouTube channel.
Come down and see us. Thank you very much.